seriously late to the party. I'm gonna be kind of stupid and try to vlog this for you guys. So welcome to another rushed sunset episode. That was loud. So 70 to 200. Sunset is looking amazing. Oh, sorry. I don't even know where I'm gonna go. Well, I do. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't. It's too small. Right back in there, I have a tripod going with my R5 on a time lapse, and I barely had time to drive up here and get that set up. All right, hold on a second. Okay, I don't know if you could tell, but it's snowing outside. Well, it snowed earlier. This is absolutely gorgeous. I need the flippy gloves. Like Valeray. If you guys know anybody from Valeray, if you guys are watching this, get in touch. I don't even know what's going on. My wife came in, camera lady came in, and she was like, oh, this is gonna be a good sunset. And I was like completely doing other things. Wow, yeah. But she was right, and it's snowy. I'm like half a block from my house. I had zero time to get anywhere. I'm gonna get some B-roll for you guys around here. Look at the cactus. Look at this. Wow, it's beautiful out here. The snow's not gonna last. This was our one snow for the year. Southern New Mexico. Tonight, everyone thinks because I live in a desert. I didn't know it snowed in New Mexico. Yeah, it snows a lot in New Mexico, especially, I don't think y'all realize, like the lowest elevation in the entire state is like just a little under 4,000 feet. And I live at 6,000 feet right now. And the mountains that I usually play in the Gila are 7,000 to 10,000 feet. So yeah, it definitely snows. And that did not light up like I hoped. Wow. Oh, I did all of that rushing. I'm not gonna say for nothing. I still think the time lapse will be pretty. And I think the B-roll will be pretty. But I think this video is about a whole lot of nothing. I could do a shameless plug right now and say that my new winter preset pack is up and going on somebody's website, on the Moment website. I have the links down below. Just a whole bunch of winter presets for the styles of editing I like to do. For helping you deal with, like, you know how when you shoot and you get gray snow because your camera, or blue snow because your camera either messes up the exposure or the white balance. Well, I have presets to fix that kind of stuff and get your snow looking beautiful and all of that kind of stuff. So you can definitely check those out in the link below if you're interested in that sort of thing. Oh, also, just like a couple hours ago, actually today, we hit 80,000 subscribers on the channel. So huge shout out to you guys. I genuinely love every one of you that watch my videos and support this channel, and I hope that my inspiration for you keeps going, and then I hope that, and your viewership and you being here, just knowing that there's so many people on the other end of this inanimate camera that I'm looking into right now are watching me, listening to me. It's really inspiring to me, and I've got a lot. The last 2 years, I haven't felt so great about pushing forward with the channel. It's not that I've been burnt out or that I haven't wanted to do it. I just haven't had the enthusiasm that I have now. I have a lot of enthusiasm, like more so than I have in the last 10 years combined, for moving forward. And I'm really excited about making things happen. And I promise that moving forward, the videos will be better quality than this one. look at all of this snow. All right, well, even though this video was kind of a bust, I think I'm gonna post it anyways, just as kind of an update, and just to show you just the tiniest glimpse of today's snow events that I didn't film at all because I was too busy doing other stuff in my house that had no real value to anything whatsoever. I think I may be one of the worst YouTubers out there, so I don't know how I got to 80,000 subscribers, but again, I'm stoked that it happened. Oh, look at this. We got, let's see, got the crescent moon right there. That looks pretty cool. I didn't bring any of my long lenses, just the 70 to 200. I should have grabbed, it's really crisp, cold air. I should have grabbed the 800 to get a shot of that moon. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up here, finish this time lapse, and then go back and have some hot tea, because it's like 12 degrees outside. Yeah, wasn't I saying something about that earlier about people thinking the desert doesn't get cold? It does. It just gets warm again during the daytime, but definitely gets cold at nights. Tonight's supposed to be like 11 or 8 degrees or something like that, but then next week's gonna be back up in the 50s and 60s, and yeah. I love the cold though, I don't care. Okay, that's it, short video. It's good just to get out and enjoy. 10 minutes of photography is better than nothing, you know, like just go outside and just breathe in the fresh cold air and take some pictures and profit, be happy. All right, I'm gonna go now. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me.